Welcome to Art Magic.
Supermom is here to save the day with her super strength and love. Draw a circle for her head and a larger oval shape for her body. Start by sketching the basic shapes for Supermom's body. Add curved lines for her arms and legs, keeping them slightly bent to give her a dynamic pose. Draw 2 large ovals for her eyes, a small curved line for her nose, and a happy smile. Now, let's add some details to Supermom's costume. Draw the iconic Superman emblem on her chest, which is an S inside a shield shape. Add a cape flowing behind her back, and don't forget to draw her boots and gloves. It's time to bring Supermom to life with some vibrant colors. Use bold shades of red and blue for her costume, and don't forget to color her cape flowing in the wind. Add some yellow for the Superman emblem and accents on her boots and gloves. Give Supermom's costume some extra flair by adding details like wrinkles and folds to her cape and suit. Great job on finishing your drawing! I'm sure your mom will love it when you give it to her on Mother's Day. Now, why not encourage others to create something special for their moms too? Remember, with creativity and imagination, anything is possible. Keep practicing and having fun with your art. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, Art Magic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, you know, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.